Today, I want to talk about some civil rights movements. First of all, I want to start with Black Lives Matter, since that was in place first. Black Lives Matter was formed in order to hopefully impart the message that black lives do matter. Matter enough to consider allowing unarmed black citizens who function reasonably within the confines of the law to live. They didn't think that was too much to ask. It's not. I think it's called Black Lives Matter because if they called it Black Lives Should Be Treated as Though They Matter, it would be a bit wordy. This is a legitimate civil rights movement. These people are not terrorists. They are not racist toward whites. They are not hateful toward police officers. They just want to live. They're scared. They're terrified. Just want to live. Then came the All Lives Matter movement. Yeah, right. This ranks right up there with the pro-life movement on abortion, the humanist movement. The reason they come up with All Lives Matter is to attempt to delegitimize Black Lives Matter. But if all lives really mattered to these people, they would have been protesting with Black Lives Matter over all the murdered black citizens. They didn't. They don't care. They're trying to suggest that they care about every life as though Black Lives Matter doesn't. It's dishonest. It's deceptive. Now I want to get to Blue Lives Matter. If anything, I actually think this is worse than the All Lives Matter movement. Since Black Lives Matter cares about all life, Blue Lives Matter is about suggesting that cops get to treat people any way they want, without moral accountability. And these people are like, don't even prosecute them. Don't have these police officers arrested. Don't prosecute them for murdering black citizens. Just let them get away with it. And let them do more of this shit. More of this crap. Honestly, I don't understand these people's attitudes. Why do they have such a problem with allowing innocent black citizens to live? This just totally blows my mind. Why do you have a problem allowing African Americans to live? Do you really hate them that much? There are people who suggest that BLM should be considered a terrorist group. But the rest of us have reason to suspect that the people who talk like this should be considered terrorists. See how you feel when your own words are thrown back at you. Black Lives Matter is not a terrorist movement. It is a legitimate civil rights movement. All lives matter, blue lives matter or not. They're racist, bigoted movements. And that's all I'm going to say on the matter. The rest will be comments.